democracy and address the fundamentals of injustice. We also address the issues of their dream, the promised land, the united Christian provinces of Biafra, Africa's new paradise. The promised land, a land where people will be equal and free, a land where to each will be given according to his dues and needs, a land where there will be no marginalization on the basis of tribe, language, a land where all will be equal before the law, a land where there will be zero tolerance for corruption, a land where we will by law forced to be our greatest keeper, our brothers, united Christian population. We will get there. Thank you.
Thank you so much.